Good morning, friends. Today we meet again with Miss Vina, and today is our first meeting. We will study science here, and we'll study about human body system. Okay, what is a system, friends? Okay, let's discuss first. System is something that made up of different functions. Okay, so in a system, there are so many different functions. Now, how many body systems do we have? There are 5 human body systems, so we have 5 body systems. The first one is the breathing system. The function is to take the air into the body. And the second one is the digestive system. The function is to break down food into smaller substances that the body can use. And then the third one is the transport system. The function is to carry food and other substances around the body. The fourth one is the skeletal system. The function is to support the body and give it shape. And then the last one, the sixth one, is the muscular system. The function is to move the body. But in grade 5, we only study 3 kinds of body systems. Okay, we will study breathing system, digestive system, and transport system. But here today we will study about breathing system and digestive system first. Okay, now let's start. The breathing system. The breathing system is also called the respiratory system. Breathing in and out is also called respiration. We breathe about 13 or 14 times in a minute. Okay, so you can try to count in a minute how many times you breathe. Okay, and the main parts of breathing system, we have nose, windpipe, lungs, and diaphragm. Okay, we will see here the breathing system diagram. So we have nose, windpipe, lungs, and diaphragm. Okay, why the breathing system is important? The breathing system is important because it takes oxygen into the body and it removes carbon dioxide from the body. Okay, how about breathing in other animals? Okay, mammals, birds, and reptiles breathe with lungs. And then some insects like grasshopper have rows of small holes along their bodies for breathing. And the earthworms breathe through a moist skin. Okay, how can we take care of our lungs? Okay, we can do this one. We can take care of our lungs by doing some exercise, using a mask if there is air pollution, not smoking, washing hands with soap and water, and getting enough sleep. Okay, now we move to the second part. Okay, that is we will learn about the digestive system. Okay, how is the journey of food in our body? Can you imagine, friends, when we eat something, okay, how is the journey of the food in our body? Okay, here, the first one, the mouth. Okay, the mouth, when you eat, the first part that we use is mouth. Okay, your teeth chew the food and cut into small pieces. And then the saliva makes the food soft and moist and easy to swallow. And then the saliva will start to digest the food. And then the second one is gullet. The food moves from the mouth down to the gullet into the stomach. And then the third one is the stomach. The food is broken down into smaller pieces. The food will look like a thick soup and moves into the small intestine. Okay, we can see the picture, the diagram later. And then the fourth one is the small intestine. The food is now very small pieces here, and these small pieces move through the walls of the small intestine into the blood. And then the blood takes the digested food to all parts of the body. And then the fifth one is the large intestine. Some food is not digested, so it goes into the large intestine. Here, the water removes from the food, and the food left is a waste. It moves into the rectum. And then the sixth one is the rectum. The waste is stored in the rectum, and when you go to the toilet, the waste passes out the body through the anus. So we can see the diagram here. So your food you can mouth, and then the gullet, and then it moves to the stomach, and then to the small intestine, and it goes to the large intestine, and it will store in the rectum, and when you go to the toilet it will go out into the anus. Your digestive system is about 9 meters long, so when you measure your digestive system, the length is about 9 meters long. How to look after the digestive system? We can drink plenty of water, and then eat food with fiber such as fruits, vegetables, and cereals, and then do some exercise. Germs in food and water can make us sick, such as cholera and food poisoning. So we have to be very careful if we will eat. So we have to wash our hands first. So the germs will not make us sick. Friends, that's all our materials for today. So we study about the breathing system and the digestive system. And that's enough for today. We will continue next week. See you next time, friends.